baby, I just wanted to come by and show y'all my messy closet. I took everything out the top. At least I thought I did. It looked like it's a shirt up there, but I took all my hats and stuff and whatever clothes I had thrown up there. I took them down, and I'm gonna organize the closet a little bit. You know, you see I have several poles in my closet. This is the one that came with the closet. I put this black pole up, y'all, and I also put this white pole up. So I'm gonna hang my clothes up. This is one of my shoe racks. I had two, but the other one tore up. I guess it was too heavy. But I put some of my shoes in here, you guys, mostly sandals. But I got shoes all over the closet floor. Tennis shoes, boots, high heel shoes, and new shoes, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and organize this closet. These are the hats I had on top of the closet. And these are the clothes that need to be folded up and hung up, you guys. So I went on ahead and hung up the clothes and put the hats and stuff on top of the closet. Man, cleaning out this little bit of small closet is a task, just know. I tried to color coordinate the clothes, but baby, I got tired. As you can see, I still got clothes on the back pole and clothes on the front pole as well. I went on and organized my shoes, stacked up my new shoes. You know, I put some shoes over there inside the shoe bag as well that's hanging. You know what I'm saying? I don't have that many shoes, but I do need a little bit more closet space. But I thank God for this, Lord. Thank God I got somewhere to hang my clothes and put my shoes and my hats and stuff. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm gonna go ahead and put these clothes up that I folded up a little earlier before I cleaned out my closet. I'm gonna have to organize my drawer space, and these are the clothes that I'm gonna throw away. Every time I clean out my closet or something, I have some clothes that I throw away. You know, you don't get new things unless you throw away old things. And you know, some of us, we just be hanging on to the old things, and then you turn around, look around, and you turned into a hoarder. And I don't want that, because you know I was like semi-hoarder border too. So yeah, it's time to throw away some stuff. It's time to do some spring cleaning, because it's a new season coming. And I'll be back. Peace.